There's a nice feature in Illustrator. In the Object menu, Artboards, Fit to Selected Art. But it's annoying. It's right to the edges of the art. How about a little margin? A user asked for a script that would do it, so I wrote one. Artboard to Selection. I'll show the script in Mac OS. It works the same on Windows. Let's do this again, but this time use the script instead. To run the script, go to the File menu. Scripts. I already have the script installed in Illustrator. For help adding scripts to Illustrator, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. Select Artboard to Selection. The script does the same as Illustrator, only you get to add a margin, enter the value, and in what measurement units. Click OK, and it's done. Now isn't that better? Or maybe it's not enough. Do it again. Make the margin whatever you like. The script is open source. It's plain text you can open in any text editor. The default values are defined near the top. Change the value for margin or the measurement units if you like. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe so you're notified of future videos. Also, leave a comment. I always like to hear from you. All feedback is welcome. There are plenty of other scripts and videos for them. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.